Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain you the meaning of Snapchat emojis. So, the first one is, gold star. It means, someone has replayed this person's snaps in the past 24 hours. They must have something interesting to show. Second emoji is, yellow heart emoji. It means, you are number one best friends with each other. You send the most snaps to this person, and they send the most snaps to you. Third emoji is, red heart emoji. It means, you have been number one best friends with each other for 2 weeks straight. Fourth emoji is, pink hearts emoji. It means, you have been number one best friends with each other for 2 months straight. Dedication. Fifth emoji is, baby face emoji. It means, you just became friends with this person. Sixth emoji is, face with sunglasses. It means, one of your best friends is one of their best friends. This means that you send a lot of snaps to someone that they also send a lot of snaps to. Seventh emoji is, grimacing face emoji. It means, your number one best friend is their number one best friend. You send the most snaps to the same person that they do. Eighth emoji is, smirking face emoji. It means, you are one of their best friends, but they are not a best friend of yours. You don't send them many snaps, but they send you a lot of snaps. Ninth emoji is, smiling face emoji. It means, another best friend of yours. You send this person a lot of snaps. Not your number one best friend, but they are up there. 10th emoji is, fire emoji. It means, you are on a snap streak. You have snapped this person every day, and they have snapped you back. Increases with number of consecutive days. 11th emoji is, 100 emoji. It means, 100-day snap streak. The 100 emoji appears next to the fire when you snap back and forth with someone for 100 days in a row. 12th emoji is, hourglass emoji. It means, your snap streak is about to end. Quickly send another snap to keep it alive. Last emoji is, birthday cake emoji. It means, this friend has a birthday today. Only displays if friend has the birthday party feature enabled in settings. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, do share with your friends and family, and if you want to see more videos like this, then do subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.